this is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. I have a quick little review to do for you today. This is of a gorgeous Santa special drill table topper that I got from OneDaySaving. And I unboxed this on my channel a few weeks ago. And I thought I'd better dig it out and get it finished because Christmas is nearly here and it's still sitting there. So I've gone ahead and done that piece. So it came with this main piece, a little star as well. And you hook it onto his hat. And then you've got the stand and you've got two chains. You only need one. You've got a spare one just in case. And I think it came up absolutely beautiful. The drills were absolutely gorgeous. Really good quality drills, nice and shiny. Absolutely beautiful. I love the detail in his beard. I think that is just amazing. Really, really awesome. A very good effect. I love the way they've done his face. It's really well done. And you got a beautiful holly and then the gorgeous hat on top. So really, really pretty. My only drawback, I suppose, with this is that it is single-sided, so it would be absolutely amazing if it was double-sided. But that's okay. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. So that was that piece. And then the other piece was a gorgeous little star. Really pretty. And the it's sort of like an acrylic plastic that they've used. It's quite thick. And the adhesive was super duper sticky. So I'm going to put this together on camera to show you how it goes together, and then I'm going to actually go ahead and seal these because it's going to be on the table. There's going to be, you know, dust particles and dog hair and stuff like that that will get stuck in that really sticky adhesive. So I will go ahead and do one coat of sealant before I pop it on the table. But anyway, I'll show you how I put it all together. But first of all, I'll show you the leftover drills because there was a lot of leftover drills. So I just used them straight out of the bags. And you can see there's just so many left over. Oh, that one's going to dump out. Heaps left over. And these ones were used for the berries. And I only needed 3. But look how many they gave you. And look at those beautiful backs of those drills. They're nice and shiny. No scratches. You can see there's heaps left over. So I'll definitely be using them for another project. So there you go. How gorgeous is that? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so assembly is super duper easy. Can't pick it up. You just need your little ball and socket chain. Very easy to use. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. You can use whatever you want. You can use wire. You can use ribbon, a different chain, whatever you want. So I'm just threading him through both holes. And then if you haven't done one of these before, they're really easy. You just get the opening on the top. You just pop one of those little balls in there and then snap it in. Too easy. And that's that. Gorgeous. And then you just sit him in the stand. Too easy. Just like that. How cool is that? That is awesome. Oh, I love it. So gorgeous. Really, really pretty. So there you go. That is my beautiful table topper that I got from OneDaySaving. This is a great gift idea. You can either give it away already done or as a craft project for the recipient. It was a great little project. Didn't take too long to do, and it came out beautifully. Just absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to be putting this on my table as soon as I seal it. How gorgeous is that? So I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending this out to me for review. I absolutely love it. The quality was outstanding. Just love it. And thank you for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!